Yo, what's up friends? I'm Shulazari and welcome back to Making Impossible, the channel that teaches you how to make the impossible and be the smartest person in the room. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a really cool card flourish. I'm going to be teaching you how to do that card flourish. It's an aerial card flourish where you flick one card from one hand and it actually flies and rests onto your other hand, where you actually have a deck of cards or you might not have a deck of cards. It actually depends on you. And this is a very good way of ending one card flourishes, for example one card twirls or anything like that, by using this move that I'm going to teach you today. And it's very amazing and I think you're going to have fun learning this move. So without any further ado, let's start our today's video. This week's Instagram feature goes to Rahul Patel. Follow him on Instagram. Link is given in the video description. I'll feature one lucky Instagram user every Monday in my Smack That Monday episodes. If you want your Instagram profile or page to be featured in my next Smack That Monday episode, follow the simple steps that are given in the video description. So now, let's continue. Alright, here's how the card flourish looks like. You have one card, you do a card twirl just like this. You keep on doing card twirl until and unless you don't want to stop it. You just do card twirls. Then after that, you flick the card onto the other hand where you have the deck of cards, and you're going to catch that card on the top of the deck of cards. And you can catch that directly like this, just like this, or you can just have this in this position. Then you can just do a simple cut to take it to the bottom of the deck, and that's how the card flourish looks like. Let's see how you can actually do this card flourish. Alright guys, here is the tutorial for the flick shot. Now for doing the flick shot, you need to know one move, which is the one card twirl. Okay, you need to know how to do the one card twirl. Then it would be easy for you for doing the flourish, as well as it would look beautiful if you use one card twirl in this flourish, because that is how this flourish is actually done. So if you don't know the one card twirl, I have a tutorial for it, and a link to that tutorial will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. So make sure you check that video out so that you can learn the one card twirl if you want to learn it. And if you already know how to do the one card twirl, then it would be very easy for you. And if you don't know one card twirl, and if you don't want to know one card twirl, then also there's a way of doing this card flick, but you can only do this card flick. You won't be able to add beautiful motions to it just like this. And I'm also going to show you the way without doing the card twirl. So for those people who knows how to do the card twirl, you're going to do the card twirl and then you're going to get into this position, okay? Because this is the position for flicking the card from this hand to the other hand. So you're going to get into this position, and to get into this position, you're going to hold the card just like this, and then you're going to do the card twirl just for once, okay? Just give it one twirl, and while again taking it back to its original position, while it comes back, you're actually going to use your thumb just to push this side up so that this side goes down. And as this side goes down, you're going to use your you're actually going to rest your ring finger just on the top of the card, and then you're going to use your thumb to push the card downwards so that the index finger is near the top edge of the card, and then you're actually in the position for shooting the card, for flicking the card, okay? So one more time, you're just going to do the card twirl just like this. You're going to come into this position. Now this one was for those people who actually knows how to do the card twirl. Now for those people who doesn't know how to do the card twirl, you still need to get into this position. And for getting into this position, you're actually going to hold the card just like this. You're going to pinch the top corner with these two fingers, the thumb and your index finger, and all your fingers would be curled in just like this, okay? So if you are right-handed, then you are going to pinch the card on the top right-hand corner, or else if you are left-handed, you are going to pinch the card on the top left-hand corner. And if you're left-handed, just mirror this video because I'm not left-handed. So you're going to hold the card just like this with the thumb and the index finger, and all the fingers would be curled in. Then after that you're going to let these fingers go just like this, and as this fingers goes, you're going to put the middle finger under the card and the ring finger over the card. So from this position to this position, okay? And then you're actually again in the position of shooting the card or flicking the card, okay? So while you're doing the card twirl, you're coming to the same position, and also while you're not doing the card twirl, you're also going to the same position for doing the card flick. So at this point, all you have to do is you have to press this corner, which is directly opposite to your index finger, okay? Not diagonally opposite, directly opposite to your index finger. You're going to press this corner with your thumb, okay? And you're going to just press it like this. And since this middle finger is right below the card, as you press the card doesn't bend downwards, okay? For that reason, the middle finger is over there, so that the card doesn't bend downward, because you need to bend the card upwards. So when you press down over here, the card bends upwards, and then what you're going to do is you're going to leave the card from this thumb, okay? So as you press and leave the card from over here, it will start spinning, and it will actually go over here, go to this side, and you're going to catch the card with your other hand, okay? So you're in this position, then you're going to press it, and then afterwards when you're going to leave this thumb, you're actually going to leave your ring finger too, because if you don't leave your ring finger, the card will actually stick to its place, because the ring finger is also pressing down on the top of the card. For that reason, you also need to leave your ring finger. So when you bend this card just like this, you're also going to leave your ring finger, and then you're actually going to shoot the card, okay? And that is how the card shot is actually done. Alright? So this is how the flourish is done. Now if you have a deck of cards on your other hand, you can just take a card from the top and do a flicker, and then you can just do the shot and catch it onto the top of the deck. And doing that type of thing actually makes that flourish look really cool when you catch it on the top of the deck, okay? And as you saw that this flourish is a nice little way of ending any one card flourish. For example, let's say you're doing the morning star just like this, or maybe just twirls, then you're going to just shoot the card to the other hand. It actually gives a pretty good ending to any one card flourish that you're doing, okay? And that is the entire tutorial, okay? And just make sure you practice this move, because without practice nothing is good, okay? And for that reason, just practice, and also practice catching the card onto your other hand, okay? And that's it for today. Peace. So I hope you enjoyed learning this amazing aerial card flourish. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you did so, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @Shoel_Zari. Also, if you have any questions, you can use the comment section for that, and don't forget to subscribe to my other channel, which is a pretty savage channel. I post funny videos over there, and the link to that channel will be given right in the description box as well as in the cards. And don't forget to smash the subscribe button of this channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and turn on the post notifications so that you don't miss my upcoming videos and my future Smack That Monday episodes. Peace.